Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this video again as I made one yesterday about USDX, US dollar index. So let's get started. Yesterday I showed you that this is the chart I made. I showed you this chart made 3rd October 2019, that this would be the route, right? And then yesterday it was here, right, on the 30th. And I said, well, it will probably continue if we drop below 0145. I made another chart for my subscriber. I'll show you here after this, and then that it will continue dropping and what will be the effect of it. So what happened to this chart so far from yesterday till today is this. So it drops from 0545 down here. Right now is at can't read, it's probably 0068, right? So the US dollar index dropped very nicely, and another chart which I made for my subscriber and gave it to them was this. Okay, on the 30th I made this. Is kind of like a harmonic pattern, which I teach in my webinar. That this is the pattern, and I was expecting that this butterfly pattern will be completed at 127 here, and I wrote down here that you see that if drop below 0145, 0145 is right there, and what will happen if it drops? Then EU, GU, AU, and NU have a chance to go up, while USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen have a chance to go down. Why a chance? Because sometimes other currency is acting also, and then the move may not happen. But if other currency is neutral, yes, these things will happen. These four will go up and these three will go down with the USD weakness. So what happened to this chart from yesterday till today is this. It came down here very nice and clean, halfway so far, right? So that's a couple of versions on the weekly chart USD, right? And then there's another version of my analysis was this. This is the chart I made on 19 December. This is a 33-minute chart, US dollar index, Elliott wave count, wave 1, 2, and I was expecting that we will go down for wave 3. And this is a very nice, very short setup, my Magic IB setup. And according to this, we're supposed to drop. What happened to this chart so far as of today is this, right? So it dropped very nice and clean all the way down here, right, as of today. So what happened if like I said, I wrote down here that the 4 of those pair will go up and 3 will go down, right? So that's supposed to happen, and if that's supposed to happen, I supposed to take the trades, right? That's what it is. So let me show you what I did. Is this was I remember the 3 pairs to going down is USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen. So here's USD franc, right? USD CAD and USD yen also went down very nicely, but I missed the entries. And then the others, Euro USD to the upside, long entry here on the 31st close. Pound USD for 100 pips on 31st, nice and clean entry close. And Aussie USD went up, right? So out of 4 pairs supposed to go up, I got 3 trades, and out of 3 pairs that's supposed to go down, I got 1 trade. Not bad at all, right? So this is how it is. Plan ahead and trade your plan. Simple as that, right? So I was expecting it, and it's not finished yet. The pattern is, let me see where it is now. Here. Okay. We have to go back and see the pattern for this one, right? So we are just pulling back up a little bit as a pullback, a little retracement, but then the target is still down there. So maybe today, tonight, and tomorrow we will still go down on the USDX and those pair, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD. They will go up one more time, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will go down. USD franc, you saw that I took the trade very nicely, You see that? And I missed USD CAD and USD yen, but let me just show you that by going there, USD CAD for example, if we go into, and USD yen also, right? So let me just open the USD profile. You will see exactly what I'm talking about, USD CAD and USD yen right there, and you'll see that how nicely they went down as well. It's just that I missed the entries. And I mean, you can literally tell with this system that I teach here, right? So you can literally tell that which pair is going to go up, which pair is going to go down, when, how, where. Okay, here USD yen, this is how it came down, right? This was, the entry was not, you know, this supposed to be a good entry, but I never got it. And USD CAD, where is USD CAD, bro? Here, see that? The USD CAD, I supposed to catch one of these entries, but I didn't. I forgot. Completely missed. But look how nice and beautiful all the way down, right? So that's how powerful the system is. And this is what happened so far today, USD. And then probably today or tonight, so nothing is going to happen because it's going to be New Year Eve tonight, right? And fireworks, my son's birthday as well. So I'm gonna be probably you know, having fun with him. And let's see what happens. If I find some time and opportunity and I see some trades, I might take them. But other than that, New Year Eve, my son's birthday, so let's see what happens. This is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful